What if this Lent you could do something big? And by big, I mean not giving up chocolate or TV, but really something big, experiencing Jesus. What if you could share Jesus with your friends, your family, your coworkers, your neighbor next door who doesn't know Jesus? Or maybe even for yourself, just to experience Jesus in a new way. It's called the Share Jesus campaign. And what it is we've compiled over 20 of the most engaging, dynamic Catholic speakers in the United States to share a 2 to 3 minute video every day about who is Jesus. Each video ends with a question or a statement. And the idea is, with these videos, you can take them, you could share them on the social media sites that you're active on, and really engage people, engage your family, your friends, maybe people who don't even know Jesus, and really kind of explore who Jesus is together via whatever social media networks you're on. All around the idea of who is Jesus. And so if you want to be a part of this project, if you go to redeemedonline.com, you can sign up for our emails, which will enable you to be a part of this social media experience in Lent 2015.